Now I started initiating, not only started talking, but I also initiating the tasks, and it gave me a lot of changes in my workplace as well. The best part here is there's no judgment.
But do
You
you
can.
feel a need of joining another coach after the joining Pro Speaker Hub?
Why do I need to look for other coach? I'll just continue with Coach Sujata. If you want to improve that, join the Pro Speakers Hub.
Hey everyone, welcome to this special success story series where I bring a real journey transformation. And today we have someone truly inspiring, Miss Prakriti, who is my student who recently got promoted. And now she has not just grown professionally, but she has also had a massive shift in her entire confidence and communication. So, Prakriti, welcome again to the success series.
Thank you, Sujata, for such a warm welcome. I'm truly blessed to, experience this journey with you, and I'm very grateful to you.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm really, really happy. And Prakriti, before we get started, let's rewind a little bit about where you were working and what was your entire communication before you joined the Pro Speakers Hub.
So, as Sujata has told, I'm Prakriti, and I'm currently working as a content writer. And my journey in this was really tremendous. Before joining this, I was a bit short of communicating. I was really underconfident, and I used to fear stage a lot. But after joining this, it gave me a complete transformation. And it's all thanks to Sujata.
Wonderful, wonderful, Prakriti. Prakriti, I also remember you telling me that you find it hard to talk to your seniors at your workplace. And how is it now?
Now I started initiating, not only started talking, but I also initiating the tasks, and it gave me a lot of changes in my workplace as well. Recently I was handling a project as well, so the Prakriti which I have known had a lot of transformation after joining this Pro Speakers Hub, and it really changed a lot in me.
Wonderful, Prakriti. So, Prakriti, I must tell you that I'm really, really proud of you. Firstly, for all the transformation, because the transformation that you have right now, it just didn't come by me helping you out, but it also came from you reciprocating the same energy, same commitment, same dedication by being disciplined, right? So, we could travel this journey of 6 weeks together, right? And now after this entire 6 weeks of program, the program is a really shorter time, so I'm sure you might have this question in your mind that how come is it possible to work around something in 6 weeks, and you might have had this question initially, right? Now that you're in the edge of your training, so when was in what duration that you got the when you joined the program, in how much time frame that you got the result, and when did you start noticing the transformation in you?
Initially, when I started this program, I was really hesitant to the core, where I was thinking whether to join this program or not. So I made it, and I started learning it, and I joined this program. So starting, it was really tough because as an underconfident girl, I had to go through a lot, and within a week, because all of the challenges, all the talks we were going through, and all the members, including you, who gave me support to speak out and to be what I am, who I am. So within 1 week or 1.5 week, I think I noticed a lot of changes in myself. So
Wow, wow.
around 1 and 1.5 week to just come out of that and started to speak.
Wow, wow, that's amazing, Prakriti, which is like, that the challenges that you have been struggling with for a really, really long time, and that is something that you are able to come out in just a week of the joining the program, right? Right. So,
Yes.
did you feel that, did you ever knew that this was something that is possible for you in just a week where you have been struggling for years together?
not at all. Because whenever I started, I used to go back with underconfident me. But when I joined this journey, without knowing, I mean, without my knowledge, I started to come out of that shyness. I started come out of being underconfident, and I spoke from my bottom of my heart without any hesitation. So even before I used to think that people may judge me, but now even if they judge me, I don't mind. I just speak what I want to speak. That is what this program gave me.
Wow, wow, that's amazing, Prakriti. And you also told me this one thing that Sujata, now at office I started taking initiation. I started putting myself out there, right? And I remember you coming me at by second or third week or mid of the second week of the training, telling that Sujata, I finally got promoted. So tell me a little story around that.
So as I told you all, I was a content writer, and after joining this, I started to work on my communication. I started to initiate the works. I started to go around and ask and initiate the things. So after doing all that, I got one project and I was working on that. After that project was closed or completed, I got promoted as a senior content writer. So this is what this program gave me. It took me a step ahead.
Wow. And how did this program entirely contribute in your promotion, Prakriti?
As I told you before, I was very underconfident. I did not initiate. I just went to office. I did whatever work that was assigned to me. But after joining here, I came out of that comfort zone. I went around. I went asking for any other things to do, and I started initiating the things. So people there started noticing.
Wow.
So when I start communicating with them, they start noticing what I'm capable of and what I can do. And that way it contributed me to this promotion.
Wow, wow, that's beautiful again, Prakriti. Because again, see, it's all about you initiating. The more you are visible, the more you attract the opportunity, right? So, before joining the program, you were hiding yourself. You were not initiating. You were finishing your work. You are not able to talk to people in a structured way. You are not able to articulate it properly. But after joining the program, you are able to speak with clarity. You are able to speak confidently. You started initiating. You started coming in the spotlight, and that helped you to get the promotion that you deserved, right? So you're now that your work is not overlooked, your people started recognizing your work, people started recognizing your efforts, and they now your work is not overlooked, and now you know how to communicate my work that I'm doing, right?
Yeah.
So Prakriti, what is the best part that you liked in the entire program of mine?
The best part here is there's no judgment. You can be who you are. You can speak whatever you want. You can share your stories. You can let out your thoughts. You can let out your ideas, and you can. If we go outside, you'll hesitate to speak sometimes. But here, you can speak to the core where everyone will be listening to you, but they won't judge you. That is what I like, and you can be confident when you're speaking in this program.
Wow, wow, wow. That's amazing. And having that safe space, a community that really, really matters a lot, right, Prakriti? And regular practice because where, as you mentioned that this is a non-judgmental space, that means we are also doing a regular practice, regular feedback, and lot more. So, what is how was the entire structure of the coaching of mine, and which part of the program that you like the most?
The structure of this program was really very good, and it was really very helpful for a lot of people like me. And the best part I can tell is the challenge we do every day. And for that challenge, we should have that inspiration, we should have the consistency to go
Right,
through. And we recently we did the 30 days
30 days
challenge.
challenge.
Yeah, and everyone were part of it, and everyone were consistent. So
Right.
that's part is my most favorite part because starting I was very nervous. I used to be very anxious to do the video, but after that, I can take my videos in a single shot. That is where I got transformed in this 30 days challenge.
Wow.
And your feedback for every single videos is like a stepping stone. We can change ourselves, we can motivate ourselves for that feedback, and you can move forward with that feedback and you'll improve with that feedback. So thank you for that feedback, Sujata. Because of that, I think from a nervous, anxious girl, I became to a girl where I can shoot videos in a one shot.
And have a conversation without any hesitation.
Yeah.
Right. Wonderful. And I think 30-day challenge will always be my favorite part too, because every morning that I get up, I post a task in the group telling that, hey, this is your task for the day, and now you're getting a regular feedback, and also you have a leader to track on. Okay, you have a daily reports that you're getting, right? You have daily feedbacks that you're getting. You have that support system, and then you have that one-to-one accountability call as well, telling that, ki, hey, we have this session weekly twice, and then you have an accountability call every week where you are tracked your progress.
Inspiring thing also, because if it's just a 30 days, we would have just neglected it, but we have a weekly report as well for that. So for that, we'll be serious. We'll do videos regularly. We'll be consistent of we doing videos, and it not only about the report. We improve ourselves.
Right, right. That's so beautiful again, Prakriti. So Prakriti, I have this one question, that there are so many public speaking coaches in the market, and there are so okay. So I have this question again, that there are so many public speaking coaches in the market. Why did you choose Coach Sujata?
So as I told you before, I was really hesitant to join this program. So, before joining or before texting you, I still remember I was really hesitant to text you also. I just went through your Instagram. I saw all the videos, and really it was very inspiring for me to join this. Then I texted you, and the way you told about this program or the way you conversed with me was really helpful, and it was really like I wanted to join this program, so it made me to join this program. So after that, we had a call. So after joining that call, it made me even more inspiring to join this program. So in this way, I joined this program.
Wow, that's amazing, and I'm really happy that you were a part of the Pro Speakers Hub, Prakriti. Now I have this question: that do you feel a need of joining another coach after the joining Pro Speaker Hub ever?
As I told you, the underconfident me became such a confident me today. So when I got all these things in the Pro Speakers Hub program, why do I need to look for other coach? I'll just continue with Coach Sujata.
That's amazing. Thank you again, Prakriti. And how are you feeling right now? Do people notice you speaking? And do you feel every morning when you wake up, "Ki, man, I'm good, I'm confident, I'm amazing." Tell me more about how your self esteem and self confidence is boosted along with the public speaking, Prakriti.
It's not only about the office. Whenever I go out, used to hesitate to go into the crowd, or I wouldn't have gone there. But now I walk, I travel more, and nowadays I'm attending workshops more. Before I used to not attend any workshops because there was no one whom I am known. So I was really hesitant to go, but after joining here, after becoming confident, I started attending events more and more. So this is what it gave me. It gave me
Wow.
a confidence to go alone, to be alone. You can do it anyway.
Right.
Before I used to not go if no one was there.
Right.
So now I don't feel anything like that. I'll just go randomly, I'll just travel. So that is what it gave.
Wonderful. And I remember we working on our entire self-esteem, self-love, and then, working on the limiting belief that you had. So these things again had been so much added thing for you that now you're like, even if someone do not come, even if people think anything around about me, I'm okay. Right now, I'm doing it for myself, so that the kind of confidence that you started getting about yourself, your self-esteem, and the self confidence that has just shooted up, right? So I'm really really proud of you, Prakriti. And what do you want to tell people who want to enroll and be a part of Pro Speakers Hub community?
It's not only about the public speaking, the day to day conversation, the day to day communication you have with yourself, with the people around you. If you're working with the people in the office, if you're in college, the teachers or the students, whoever it may be, if you want to improve that, join the Pro Speakers Hub and you can see a transform in yourself. As as you can see me, I was a very underconfident and a shy girl. Now I can speak I can speak continuously. I can speak whatever I want with anyone. Even it may be a stranger, I can speak with them. So if you want to speak, if you want to communicate, please join Pro Speakers Hub. And Coach Sujata is really you not only as a coach, she is like a friend for us. And she keeps on giving us daily updates. She keeps on helping us to improve ourselves. And not only through feedback, through one on one also. If you want one on one, she'll give one on one. So it's really helpful in day to day life as well.
Wonderful, Prakriti. It was a beautiful journey with you. And thank you for being a part of Pro Speakers Hub. I'm really, really happy to see you fly high, and I'm really happy to see your transformation. Achieve more and do more coming time, get more promotions, earn more money, get more visibility, and rock in coming time. So, thank you so much for being a part of this interview series again, Prakriti, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you, Sujata. Thank you for having me as well.
Thank you.